Did you know that certain spices can help lower your creatinine levels naturally? Creatinine, a waste product generated by your muscles, is crucial to monitor for overall health. The kidneys typically filter out creatinine, but when they're not functioning optimally, levels can rise. This is where our culinary allies come into play. In today's discussion, we'll explore 5 potent spices known for their kidney-friendly properties. So, are you ready to give your kidneys a natural boost? Stay tuned to find out which spices can help you maintain healthy creatinine levels. First on our list is cinnamon, a sweet spice loved by many. This aromatic, warm spice is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Originating from the bark of the cinnamomum tree, cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, owing to its potent therapeutic properties. One remarkable advantage of cinnamon is its potential to improve kidney function. High levels of creatinine, a waste product generated by muscle metabolism, can be an indicator of poor kidney health. In our bodies, the kidneys are responsible for filtering out creatinine, and higher levels in the blood could signify the kidneys aren't doing their job well. Here's where cinnamon steps in. It's believed to enhance kidney function, thereby aiding in the effective elimination of creatinine from the body. But how does cinnamon accomplish this impressive feat? It's thought to be due to the spice's capacity to reduce insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. When our bodies become resistant to it, blood sugar levels can rise, which may, in turn, place extra stress on the kidneys. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon may help alleviate this burden on the kidneys, potentially leading to lower creatinine levels. The claims about cinnamon's kidney-boosting and insulin-sensitizing effects aren't just hearsay. Scientific research backs them up. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming cinnamon could lead to significant improvements in insulin resistance. Meanwhile, research in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition suggested that cinnamon might have a beneficial effect on kidney function. Despite these promising findings, it's important to note that more research is needed. While cinnamon can be a helpful addition to a kidney-friendly diet, it isn't a standalone treatment for kidney disease or high creatinine levels. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or treatment plan. So consider adding a dash of cinnamon to your morning coffee or oatmeal for a health boost. Next, we have turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice. A vibrant yellow powder derived from the root of the turmeric plant, turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, particularly in Asian cultures. So, why is turmeric considered so beneficial? The secret lies in curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that gives turmeric its distinctive golden hue. These properties are particularly beneficial when it comes to kidney health. Inflammation and oxidative stress are 2 major factors that can increase creatinine levels, which is a waste product filtered out by your kidneys. High creatinine levels can indicate a problem with your kidney function. Here's where turmeric steps in. The curcumin in turmeric helps to combat both inflammation and oxidative stress, thereby potentially helping to lower creatinine levels. But the benefits of turmeric don't stop there. This golden spice is also linked to improved brain function, lower risk of heart disease, and even cancer prevention. Studies have shown that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and has been found to lead to various improvements in the pathological process of Alzheimer's disease. It's also beneficial for your heart as it improves the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. And let's not forget about its potential to prevent cancer. Curcumin has been studied as a beneficial herb in cancer treatment and been found to affect cancer growth, development, and spread at the molecular level. As if these benefits weren't enough, turmeric also adds a unique flavor and color to your dishes. From curries and soups to teas and smoothies, there are numerous ways to incorporate this golden spice into your diet. Remember, while turmeric has potential health benefits, it's not a cure-all. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement routine. Try incorporating turmeric into your meals, perhaps in a curry or a smoothie, for a burst of flavor and health benefits. Third on our list is ginger, the spice with a warming kick. Ginger, with its distinctive zesty flavor and aroma, has been a staple in culinary and medicinal use worldwide for centuries. But did you know that this fiery root can be a friend to your kidneys as well? Ginger is loaded with bioactive compounds and nutrients that have powerful health benefits, one of them being its ability to naturally lower creatinine levels. Creatinine is a waste product that's generated when your body uses muscles and it's removed by your kidneys. When your kidneys aren't working as well as they should, creatinine levels can rise, which is not good news for your body. But here's where ginger steps in to lend a helping hand. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can help improve your digestion. A well-functioning digestive system can help reduce the burden on your kidneys, leading to lower creatinine levels. But that's not all. Inflammation can also cause damage to your kidneys, impairing their ability to filter out waste like creatinine. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help reduce this inflammation, protecting your kidneys and helping them do their job more effectively. Beyond just kidney health, ginger has a whole host of other health benefits. It's been linked to relief from nausea, reducing muscle pain and soreness, and even fighting off infections. Ginger is also known to have anti-diabetic properties, helping to regulate blood sugar levels, and it can also help lower cholesterol levels, promoting a healthy heart. So how can you incorporate more ginger into your diet? It's actually quite easy. You can add fresh or dried ginger to your meals, like stir-fries, soups, or smoothies. You can even steep it in hot water to make a comforting and healthful tea. And the best part, it adds a warming kick to your dishes that's not only delicious but also beneficial to your health. Consider adding ginger to your tea or stir-fry to reap its health benefits. This humble root spice is a powerhouse of health benefits, ready to help your kidneys and your overall health thrive. Fourth on our list is garlic, the spice that adds a flavorful punch to any dish. Garlic, a member of the onion family, is renowned worldwide for its pungent flavor and aroma. But it's not just a kitchen staple, it's also a powerhouse of health benefits thanks to its key component, allicin. Now let's dive into how garlic helps lower creatinine levels. High creatinine levels can be an indication of kidney problems. One of the ways that garlic can aid in reducing these levels is by improving heart health. It does this by reducing the presence of plaque in the arteries, thus lowering the risk of heart disease. A healthy heart means better circulation, and better circulation means your kidneys can function more efficiently, helping to lower creatinine levels. In addition to this, garlic is also known for its cholesterol-reducing properties. This is significant because high cholesterol can lead to kidney damage, which in turn can raise creatinine levels. By helping to lower cholesterol, garlic indirectly aids in maintaining healthier kidneys and thus lower creatinine levels. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. It is also a natural antibiotic, helping to fight off infections. It's packed with antioxidants, which combat free radicals in the body, thereby reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. Furthermore, studies have shown that garlic can help lower blood pressure and blood sugar, both of which, if too high, can put a strain on your kidneys. Incorporating garlic into your diet is simple. It can be added to a wide variety of dishes, from pastas and stir-fries to soups and stews. You can also consume it raw if you're brave enough, or try garlic supplements if the flavor is too strong for your liking. Remember, moderation is key. While garlic has many health benefits, consuming too much can lead to digestive issues. So, start with small amounts and gradually increase as your body gets used to it. So, don't shy away from adding a clove or two of garlic to your meals. The flavor and health benefits make it a spice well worth including in your diet. Finally, we have cayenne pepper, the spice that gives your food a spicy kick. This fiery red spice does more than just tantalize your taste buds. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, including its powerful ability to naturally lower creatinine levels. Let's dive deeper into how this works. Cayenne pepper is known to improve metabolism. This means your body becomes more efficient in processing nutrients and eliminating waste, including excess creatinine. An improved metabolism can also aid in weight loss, another potential benefit of this potent spice. But that's not all. Cayenne pepper also promotes blood circulation. A healthy circulatory system ensures that your kidneys receive a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood, enabling them to function optimally and filter out creatinine effectively. Further, cayenne pepper is packed with capsaicin, a compound that's been linked to numerous health benefits. From pain relief to heart health, capsaicin's benefits are as wide-ranging as they are impressive. And if that isn't enough, cayenne pepper is also a good source of vitamin A, known for its immunity-boosting properties. With all these benefits, it's clear that cayenne pepper is more than just a spice to heat up your food. It's a powerful tool in maintaining good kidney health and overall well-being. So, the next time you're cooking, consider adding a sprinkle of cayenne pepper to your meals for a spicy health boost. In conclusion, These 5 spices not only add flavor to your meals, but also help maintain healthy creatinine levels. Cinnamon, our sweet spice, and turmeric, the golden gem, both have anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger, the warming spice, aids digestion, while garlic, the flavorful powerhouse, boosts immunity. Lastly, cayenne pepper adds that spicy kick and improves circulation. Incorporating these spices into your diet is a simple, tasty way to support your kidney health. Remember, your kidneys will thank you for it. Until next time, stay healthy and keep spicing up your life.